What's up, ladies? Welcome back. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be partnering with the company Wiggins Hair. Here I'm just showing you all the gifts and goodies I got in this package. Y'all, they were so sweet. They sent adjustable straps. They sent 2 satin or silk headscarves. I got some lashes. I got a makeup set, y'all, like clutch. But this is the hair in the box. Of course, you know Wiggins Hair. This is their 017 loose deep wave wig. It did come in 24 inches and it is 150 density. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and pluck it off camera. If you guys want to see an updated tutorial on how I customize my frontals, please let me know. Just leave a comment below. But yeah, you want to go ahead and apply the lace to your hairline. And I didn't do a full wig cap with this because we wanted something quick and easy, y'all. It's 2021. We ain't got all day, y'all. So what I did was I went ahead and cut out my ear tabs, and now I'm taking my scissors and I'm also going to use this eyebrow comb, and I'm just going to go in and cut out the perimeter of the lace. And y'all, when I cut this lace and y'all see how it's blending, sis, get into it, sis. And tell me where you see a lace, baby. Tell me where you see a lace. Flawless. And you want to repeat the process on the same side. I'm doing the same thing with an eyebrow razor. Just cutting off the excess lace or going against the perimeter of my hairline with my razor comb. And if you have any extra straggly lace that is sticking out, you can always go in with a comb or with your eyebrow razor again and just cut that off wherever you need it. I do find that the eyebrow razor looks way more natural. Like, y'all, look at this. It's not glued down, nothing. Like, Wiggins Hair didn't come to play, sis. Didn't come to play. Next, I'm going to just wipe down the perimeter of my hairline with an alcohol swab. Y'all already know, those who follow me, we getting into it. I am going to use Bold Hold Active for this install. I know I usually do a glueless install, but I wanted this to stay for, a couple days until I switched it out. And as you guys can see, I don't have a full bald cap. And this is why I was telling you guys in the beginning, I don't have a full bald cap. I just took a satin cap, put some makeup on it the same color, as my foundation and stuff, and then just brought it up to my hairline, and then I'm putting a thin layer of glue right in front of my hairline. You don't want to put the glue exactly on your hair because it will put a strain on your hair, and if you don't know how to properly take it out, it will rip your hair out. And don't nobody want to be walking around with no edges. So I just pull my cap up all the way up to my hairline, to my edges, and then like I said, I went in with a thin layer of glue right in front of my hairline, right in front of that. And I just repeated this process 2 or 3 more times and used my blow dryer in between until I got the tacky substance that I wanted. And then we're going to go ahead and lay that lace down. Once you're ready to put your lace on, you want to go ahead and grab it. Make sure any stray hairs or any flyaways are pushed back. And then you want to gently lay your lace on top of your glue. Don't press it in and mash it super, super hard. Like, just gently press it in with your fingers or a rat tail comb. If you don't, if you got like oil on your hands, use a rat tail comb or something. But don't smash the hair into the glue. Like, just gently press it. Lightly press the lace into the glue, and you'll get the look that you're going for. And you want to repeat the same process. Well, I'm going to repeat the same process on each side because I didn't put glue down there by my ear tabs. I was focusing more on the forehead and temple part of my area. But yeah, I'm just going to repeat the same process I did up top on the sides and use my blow dryer in between. Once I feel that it's tacky enough and I like the texture, I'm going to go ahead and press my lace down. Next, I'm going to take this holding spray. I love using the Got To Be free spray or any Got To Be free spray, and I just spray a thin layer on the perimeter of my hairline and then go in with my blow dryer to make sure everything is sealed like the deal. But yeah, I just repeat the same process on the other side, and then like I said, I go in with my blow dryer and I'll either use my hands or my rat tail comb and just give it a, you know, check, make sure everything's secure, laid flat, and so on and so forth. Next, we're going to go ahead and get into parting and doing the baby hair. I, of course, want to do the middle part. I'm a middle part queen, so that's what we're doing. And I'm going to take this wax stick right here and just press out the perimeter of my hair with my hot comb. Y'all, this shit gets your hair flat, like wig be looking like it's yours, sis. And again, I have my hot comb. I think I have it on the highest setting. I think it goes to 450 degrees, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. But as you guys can see, it literally melts the frontal, like it lays it down. And y'all, this shit is looking so much like scalp, like I can't get enough of it. But yeah, you want to just take your hot comb and press it out to your liking. I like my wigs looking real flat, so I press that shit out literally till I'm damn near about to burn myself. But yeah, you can do as you guys like. I'm just showing you guys my experience. Those of you who follow me know how I get down. If you are new, hey sis, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, back to the tutorial. Do y'all see how flat that is? And I'm going to do the other side just so you guys can see. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and get into the baby hair part. For my edges, I just pulled out a small thin layer going across the perimeter of my whole hairline, and then I'm going to use these duckbill clips to pinch everything together, and I'm going to go back in with my hot comb to make sure everything else pulled out other than my baby hair is laid flush back, flat, straight. Like, you need everything laid. Now I'm going to take my pink strip that I got from Wiggins hair. This is their silk tie that came with my packaging. I'm going to go ahead and tie that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and define my curl pattern. Since this is a loose deep wave, I'm just going to use, you know, light products, nothing too heavy. I'm going to take my water bottle. I have nothing but just water in here in my spray bottle. And I'm going to saturate the hair on both sides. As you guys can see, the little highlights on the side, that junk just is so cute. It just gives me a pop. But I'm using my brush to detangle the hair. And then, like I said, I'm just taking in with a spray bottle. Once I get the hair wet like how I need it to, as you guys can see, I just repeated that process on the same side. Now I'm going to take my body mousse and I'm going to use this to define and seal in my curl pattern. As you guys can see, I just took like a thick substance and I started at the top and then worked my way to the bottom in like a scrunch like motion. Once I did that, I'm pretty much done with the hair. You just want to make sure it's wet enough to your liking, and don't put too much foam to where the point where it's all hard and crunchy, sis. Just take your time, figure out what you like to do. I know just what I like to do, and I just decided to show you guys. But yeah, enough talking. You want to go ahead and take your headscarf off. By this time, you know, your hair should be dry, edges should be ready to go. Once I peel this off, y'all, get into that lace, honey. Laid. And for some odd reason, I was not in camera at all when I did my baby hairs. So all you guys are going to see is me actually going in and plucking my hairline. I'm just plucking out my baby hairs because I wanted them real thin. I wanted them to look real soft, real thin, fine baby hairs. So I'm taking my tweezers and I'm just going in and plucking the baby hairs that I previously took out before we cut them and lay them down. And again, y'all, like I said, I did not get myself in frame in the camera shot at all while I was doing it. So you're just going to see me come back with my swoops. I'm so sorry, y'all. That shit pissed me off because it was the whole purpose of this damn video. But yeah. You literally want to repeat the same process of how I do it with all my other videos. pull out your baby hair, tweeze them to a thin liking, however you like them, and then we're gonna go in with the Got to Be Glued products in a edge control brush and swoop them hoes. This is what the edges came out looking like, and this was the other side. So I wanted y'all to see. I'm so sorry I didn't include the process, but this was the finished look right here, y'all, and I love it so much. Tell me what you guys think. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Y'all get into it. Yeah. Okay. I am in love with this hair. Again, this is Wiggins hair. This is their T17 loose wave. I hope I'm saying this right. Loose wave texture. And it did come custom colored with these little brown highlights that you guys see right here. And then this natural color right here. Now, the wig is, I would say 24 inches long on me, and I do believe this is 150 or 180 density. It looks thin right now because it's wet, but once it's dry, I'm sure it'll poof back up like you guys seen earlier in the clips. But this is it, y'all. I'm in love, and y'all, this is Wiggins hair. Tell me what you guys think. First video of 2021. You already know how we coming, sis. But give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.